Going to get the Floppy. I need C4 for the next radio task. And yeah, so I'm going to the bunker. Open the Floppy. I only got one Floppy yesterday, and I usually save them for when I really need the C4 or when I have a radio task when I need the C4 to open to find it. I usually go to the red zone, but right now I just don't have. Well, I'm an idiot. Fucking A, I'm an idiot. I just realized it. Another radio task is to kill the 15 abominations. I could have killed 2 birds in one stone. Maybe I can. I'm seriously considering not doing it and save it for next time. Maybe I'll find a C4 in the red zone, but it's so hard to do it. And I can kill 2 birds. Killing 2 birds, not killing 2 birds. No killing today, it's my birthday. No killing. Yeah. No. Let's do it. I will probably regret it, but that's okay. See the guy in 8 time. Yeah, let's see what's left in here. Nothing. I remember that. Yeah, some clothes. Okay, I need to remember to, if it's an infected box. I hate infected boxes. And I had to clear out all the things that I have. Jesus. It will be just my luck. I'm talking about it and I'll get an infected box. Regular box. I haven't gotten an infected box in the last, I think, 5 floppies, if I'm not mistaken. Oh god. The thing that you just saw popped up, there wasn't terror attack in Israel, so Jesus. Ay. Always on my birthday shit happens. Every fucking year. Yeah, and it's so long. Drive, not to drive. Let's drive. If I run this far, let's speed up. I'll have to. Oh shit! I won't have. Will I have? Maybe I'll get a puppy. I have all males in my dog crate. Ridiculous. All male. Almost 20 of them. No females. What are the odds? Let's put the place up. There's the box. Don't you dare down me because you're thirsty. Don't care that you're thirsty. Where is the box? Here's the box. No puppy? 1 second later, really? That's what happens when you talk too much. It's like Beetlejuice. No puppy? Sorry about all the noise. I'm in the balcony and Jesus. I'm always afraid to drop the infected box. I don't know why. Constantly afraid. Put you. No. What are you doing? Come on. Maybe I'll skip. It's only like 20 points. 20? Yeah, 20 points. Run. Just that, yeah. When I don't need dealers, they're everywhere. Ridiculous. Do I have? Yeah, I have a battery. It's good. So, you had to go this far. Other way around. I'm going to drink something and eat so I won't die in with the infected box in my hand. Would have been just my goddamn luck. And to Jesus, come on. Need to take all this stuff out. Sorry guys, you can like skip ahead. I'll use coins too. Okay, and gold is here, right? Don't have enough space. Great. You know what? Suck it. Don't have room. Hi, Elohim. Okay, so it's gonna be tricky. Let's do this. Wait, can I come from here? Give me a second. I'm thinking about the best way to get there. And yeah. Ooh. Come on. Jesus. Da-da-da-da. Skip. Let's see what's inside. 1, 2, 3, 4s. Scar. AK. Blah blah blah. Let's take you, and you. What am I gonna leave here? Take you also and you because I know. And that's it, guys. See you guys next time.